Welcome back to asldefined.com. I am Paul, and I'd like to show you or talk about requesting words by your students. We have a feature that's pretty awesome and pretty amazing, words that your students can request that we don't have in our dictionary. Now, we have about 16 to 17,000 words in our dictionary. Let me just go ahead and log in. And I'm going to show you this feature. And once you do log in, I'm going to go to the dictionary. And again, I'm speaking about your students or even yourself. If you requested words that we don't have that you want to see, then go ahead and request them. And we usually fill them within maybe 2 or 3 times a month. We do those words and we put them right onto asldefined.com. So if I want to request a word, now suppose the word is not spelled right, okay? Now suppose I spell coffee that way, and I can say, oh, well, you don't have coffee, and so I love the smell of coffee. Now, what I just typed in was, how do you use that word in a sentence, you or the students? How do you use it in a sentence? Because, you know, a lot of the words that are requested, we want to make sure that we're citing the right concept for that word. And so it's imperative that you or your students put down a sentence that supports your request. Okay, so I go here, I request the word, and so it says, thank you for your request. We'll review it and get back with you in a hurry. In the meantime, think of a word that may work while you're patiently waiting for us to record your requested word. Okay, and again, we record maybe 2 or 3 times a month, and sometimes more. It depends on what we have to record. Now, if I go back to my dashboard, you will see that I actually have 2 pending words. And so I have electricity, which I didn't spell right, or coffee. Now, if you don't spell it right, we will get that notification. And what will happen is that we'll actually push that word to your completed request right here. And once it's completed, you'll be able to open that up, or your students, and click on it, and it'll be linked to that word. You can view it from right there. A lot of times, students or yourself may request words, and you don't remember what you're requesting. This feature right here logs every word that you request throughout ASL Defined, throughout the lifetime of you using the website, that it keeps track of all those words and your students. So it's phenomenal. So go ahead, request a word. Thanks for listening.